Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming you have a working Cat5e or Cat6 cable and an available LAN port on your router. Plug one end into the router and the other into the Xbox Series X Ethernet jack. You want a snug fit to avoid packet loss. Once connected, power on the Xbox and router, and make sure Wi-Fi is off on the console so the system prioritizes the wired link. This reduces latency and gives you a stable baseline for the next steps. Next, go into Settings, then General, and open Network Settings to run a test network connection. You'll see IP, gateway, and DNS results. Write them down. If the Xbox gets an IP automatically, great, you can skip manual entry. If DHCP fails, set a static IP using the router subnet and assign DNS servers like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8. Make sure to save changes. Then run the network test again. To finish, verify your NAT type and run the multiplayer test so you can see real-world latency and packet loss numbers. If you encounter high ping or packet drops, reboot the router and the Xbox, then test again. Reboot often clears routing hiccups. If problems persist, swap the Ethernet cable or move to another LAN port to rule out physical faults. Finally, make sure your router firmware is current and that quality of service isn't deprioritizing your console for the best gaming performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.